Hi, my name is Tanesh. So I had given my laptop for fixing to Raminfotech in Budvanjeri. So my screen was not working. I had problem with Wi-Fi connection and Bluetooth connection also. So I immediately called them, and within 1-2 hours the delivery person came. They picked up my laptop and went and gave it to them in the branch. And within 1 day the problems were fixed and they were very negotiable with the prices. The seller even called me multiple times to update me on what is going on, how much time it will take, and if I can come and pick it up whenever I'm having a suitable time, because I had my college as well. So he was very negotiable, very kind, and kept on talking how and when I can come and pick it up. And I had given it also to Porur branch. They also have multiple branches. In Porur branch also they came, picked it up, and within 1 day they came back and returned the laptop.